Hello, welcome to Quiltster Tutorials. My name is Deborah and today is December 16th, 2020. We've got a lot of exciting things going on here at Quiltster.com. So today I'm going to show you our holiday sales and how to redeem the offers. We also have a contest going on for our subscribers now through the end of December, so we'll take a look at that. And then we'll close out with a special offer. So let's get into it. From our homepage at Quiltster.com, visit the Marketplace. Now, the Marketplace is where you can shop for quilt kits, patterns, and fabric by the yard, all supplied by trusted quilt shops across the country. Everything for sale in the Marketplace is supplied by these shops, so when you shop at Quiltster.com, you are supporting these businesses and our quilting community as a whole. So let's look at the sales from each of our shops. On our blog, if you click on blog at the top on our main menu, it will take you to our blog post. And we have a blog post called Holiday Sales, which is pinned to the top to make it easy to find. And on that post, it tells you how to redeem the offers, which we will go through. And then below that lists each of the quilt shops and the offer and the dates and their coupon code, which is what you need in order to get the discount. Okay, so let's take a look at each of these offers one by one. So the first sale is from our quilt shop called Sew That. So when you go from the Marketplace, you're going to go to Quilt Kits, and you are going to filter quilt shops, and you're going to look for Sew That. There they are. Check that box. And once that box is checked, you'll also see a tag at the top so that you know that is what you're looking at. So let's look at her offer. Sew That is offering 15% off kits now through December 18th. Enter coupon code Sew That 2020 in your shopping cart before checking out. So that's what we need to do in order to get the discount. So let's take a look at her kits. These are all of the kits that are being offered from Sew That as of today. So some of these there's only, look, this one's out of stock. Some of these there might be one left. So if you see something that you like, go ahead and grab it now while you have the sale and while there's still availability. Also, I want you to keep in mind that some of the kits, let's go ahead and click on this one called Red Starry Nights. Some of the kits will have variations. So, for example, you can get this particular kit in a fabric-only kit, and it tells you in the description what's included. This kit includes fabric for the quilt top, plus binding, and backing is not included, and it's for sale for this price. Or you can get the kit with the pattern if you need the pattern, and it tells you the details here as well. Okay, and you can get it for this price. You find a kit that you like, add it to your cart, and now you have one item in your cart. And remember that before we check out, we have to enter that coupon code into our shopping cart in order to get the discount. It's very important. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the next. And this sale from Sew That only goes through December 18th, so only a couple more days to get on that one. For Cactus Quilting, they are offering 15% off kits plus free shipping now through December 31st. Enter coupon code CACTUS2020 in your shopping cart before checking out. So let's take a look at the kits from Cactus Quilting. So again, you're going to come to the Marketplace. You're going to go to the Quilt Shops filter and check Cactus Quilting. Up at the top, you'll see the tag, Cactus Quilting. And these are the kits that are currently available as of today. Again, keep checking back to see what's new. But let's take a quick look at all of these quilts. Now, some of these are pre-orders, so jump on those. I know these are going fast. There's 2 left. These are on sale. Now for this shop, this kit that is on sale, the coupon will apply to the sale price. So you'll get 15% off of this price, plus the free shipping with this particular quilt shop. Okay? So let's go ahead and add a cactus quilting kit to our shopping cart. Let's do one of these fun pillows. I like these. Let's grab one of these. Kit with pattern, add to cart. All right, next. On the blog, I also would like to mention that there's a button that says Shop Kits from Cactus Quilting. This is available for each of these shops. If you click the button, it will take you to the kit page that's already filtered for that shop. So, Quilt Shop's thread runs through it. Here, I'll do it for this one. Threads Run Through It is offering 20% off kits December 14th through December 25th. Enter coupon code THREADS2020 in your shopping cart before checkout. So here's the visual for that. Let's go ahead and click on this button here. If I shop kits from Threads Run Through It, it will take me to this page, Marketplace, Kits, Quilt Shops, and it's already filtered for the correct shop right there. So take advantage of the easy clicks on that blog. Here are the kits available from Threads Run Through It. Again, they are offering 20% off their kits. That's out of stock. I love this brown colorway. Two left. So we are getting low on some of these. So go ahead and see if you see anything you like. So let's grab one of her kits. Let's grab this one. And kit with pattern, add to cart. All right, so let's go back to the blog. All right, so we've looked at Sew That, Cactus Quilting, Threads Run Through It. The next one is So Many Things Sewing Center. So Many Things is offering free shipping on kits shipped in the continental US now through December 31st. Enter coupon code SOMANY2020 in your shopping cart before checking out. So this is free shipping, so let's take a look at So Many Things Sewing Center. Again, Marketplace, Quilt Kits, Quilt Shops, filter for So Many Things and check that box. These are the kits that will have free shipping now through the end of December for shipments through the continental US. Actually, let's add one to our cart. Let's do this one that's on sale. Raindrops is a popular pattern, and let's get the one with the pattern. Add it to our cart. All right, next we've got Yoder Department Store, and they are offering 20% off kits from December 13th through December 31st. Enter coupon code YODER2020 in your shopping cart before checkout. Okay, so let's see what Yoder has to offer. Yoder Department Store, tagged at the top. I've got it pre-checked here. And they are offering all of these beautiful kits. Look at that. Some really gorgeous colorways, a beautiful Christmas one. Let's add one to our cart. I'm going to add this one. I really like this. Kit with pattern, add to cart. All right. Who do we have next? Next we've got Stitch and Snip. So the Quilt Shop Stitch and Snip is offering 20% off kits from December 14th through December 21st. Enter coupon code STITCH2020 in your shopping cart before checking out. So let's look at Stitch and Snip. Again, Quilt Shops, check Stitch and Snip. It's tagged at the top. These are the quilts being offered. What a gorgeous Christmas quilt. Some lovely impatiens. All right, let's add one to our cart. Beautiful purple and green one that's just begging to be made. We're going to add that to our cart. All right, and last but not least is Always Quilting Quilt Shop. They are offering 20% off kits, and they also sell patterns in Quiltster. So they are offering 20% off patterns as well from now through December 31st. And you would enter the coupon AQ2020 in your shopping cart before checking out in order to get that discount. So let's take a look at Always Quilting. And again, Quilt Shops is filtered for Always Quilting. I'm in the Quilt Kits area right now, so let's start with Quilt Kits. And there's Always Quilting tag at the top. These are the lovely kits being offered from them. Again, continue to check back daily because people are adding, the shops are adding kits almost every day, different variations. So definitely check and see what's available. So let's go ahead and add this beautiful Precious Metals dinner plate dahlia to our cart. And then let's go, and we're going to actually go back to the marketplace. And we're going to go to Quilt Patterns. And this is the only quilt pattern sale we have as of today, December 16th, which is for the Quilt Shop Always Quilting, just like their offer stated. And these are their 4 patterns. These are all downloadable patterns as well. So once you purchase these, they will immediately become available in your account under order history. You just open the order and it will be there. So let me show you a little bit of how that works, although I'm not actually going to make a purchase. Now let's do the zigzag zoom. People seem to love this one. We're going to add that to our cart. All right, I have 8 items in my cart. Let's go ahead and I will show you how to redeem the offers. When you get to your shopping cart, you will see an order summary of everything that you have put in the cart. So you can see all of these lovely items. But let's take a look at what it looks like by shop. So click by shop and it will tell you which shop is sending you which items. So you can see the little summary. Here's all of their logos. We know who all of these people are now. And there's a little down arrow so I can click that and see what So That is going to be sending me. So That will be sending me the Red Starry Nights kit with the pattern for $170. And if I go over to my blog, I can get the coupon code, So That 2020. It's also stated here on the advertisement. So I'm going to put that into my cart right here, all caps, all one word, So That 2020. Apply. And then it shows me right here that the coupon has been applied, who it's for, the offer, and here's my discount totaled right there. Right. Okay, now I've got all my coupons applied, and remember you can apply 1 coupon per shop per transaction. So I've got, how many, 7 shops in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means I can apply 7 coupons, 1 per shop for this 1 transaction. So I've done so here. Here's all the coupons showing that they've applied, and here's my total discount. And then if I click Proceed to Checkout and enter my shipping information, it will calculate all of the shipping, all of the subtotals, and I will get to see my, my complete order. Okay? So I'm actually not going to purchase these, but that is how you shop the holiday sale, and that is how you apply the coupons. So once they're tagged here, you're good to go. Proceed to checkout, and you're done. So the marketplace is open to the public. Anybody can shop there. There is one section of our website that requires a subscription, and that is use of the Quilt Planner. Now the Quilt Planner is a digital quilt planner which basically allows you to color pre-designed patterns with the fabric of your choice as you see here, and this is on our Quilt Planner page, so you can watch this little video and it gives you a yardage chart and all of that. So for our subscribers, we are running a contest right now, and it will tell you that there is a December Quilt Planner Challenge, and what this is our subscribers can color any pattern using any combination of holiday colors, a traditional Christmas, which to me are red, green, white, and gold, and then share the projects to the Quiltster gallery, and then share your gallery page to Facebook with the proper hashtags, and that will enter you into the contest. And that this month's Quilt Planner Challenge, one winner will be chosen, and they will be given a $20 subscription credit, So if you are a Quiltster subscriber and you would like to just play around in the quilt planner and have some fun coloring Christmas quilts, post them to the gallery and share them on Facebook, and make sure to tag us and just be entered to win, which is great. I might pick more than one winner. I haven't decided yet, but definitely there will be one winner who will get this $20 subscription credit. There is a little bit of a tutorial here on how to properly add the tags if you are not familiar with that. And then you can see past challenge entries here at the bottom of this blog post. So visit our blog. This is where my main portal of communication for events. You can always see what holiday sales, any current subscriber challenges and things like that there. So those are the holiday sales. That is the subscriber contest called the Quilt Planner Challenge for December 2020. Check that out. And last but not least, I would like to offer anybody who's not a current Quilt Planner subscriber, if you'd like to try it out, if you're curious about what it is and if you're going to like it, you can use coupon code HOLIDAY2020 to get $10 off a subscription when you subscribe at Quiltster.com. You will click Become a Member. You choose your plan, and this coupon works for either the monthly or the annual plan. So you could choose whichever one you want. Down to the bottom of the page, and you have to manually enter this in right here in order to get the discount. So that concludes our tutorial and our tour of the holiday sales, the subscriber contest, and the holiday offer for a subscription. I'm wishing you all very happy holidays. May you all stay happy and safe. And I hope you get to see your families, whether that is safely in person or via some kind of video conferencing. But may you have a great holiday and happy shopping. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.